Now moving to the United States, Donald Trump may be leading the pack of Republicans seeking nomination for the 2024 presidential polls, but his legal problems continue to mount. It appears Trump is not immune from the January 6th lawsuit. This comes as a U.S. District Court of Appeals has now ruled that the former president can be sued for inciting the Capitol riots. Trump's legal team attempted to use presidential immunity under the First Amendment. Now, grounds to shield him from any court action. Under the First Amendment, the government cannot interfere or take action against freedom of speech, assembly, or the right to petition for redress of grievances. But a court of appeals in Washington, D.C. has issued a long-awaited ruling reiterating that Trump can be sued for inciting the January 6th attack on Capitol Hill. This comes after two injured Capitol police officers sued the ex-president for telling the crowd to fight like hell shortly before the violence began. This decision will now allow members of the Congress and officers with the Capitol Police to move forward with a series of lawsuits filed against Trump. Trump currently faces 3 civil lawsuits for his involvement in the Capitol riots. The riot broke out as lawmakers were meeting inside Congress to certify President Joe Biden's victory in the 2020 polls. In the hours beforehand, Mr. Trump had addressed a rally in Washington where he urged supporters to march to the Capitol. During the violence, at least 138 Capitol and Metropolitan Police officers were injured by the rioters. The 3-judge panel observed that while Trump was still in office while trying to overrun his 2020 election loss, he was not acting in an official role when he made the remarks. WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.